So today's the magic day. Treezilla comes down. Boy, these guys really earn their money. Look at Treezilla. Look at where my garage is. Look at this stuff. Wow. Amazing. So, I know these guys are total professionals. They've done work for me. This is really, it's actually fun watching them do this. But it's a freezing cold day. You can even see relative to the garage where this is, and it is a big tree. Well, twice the size of our house. He's about halfway up there swinging around. Boy, these guys really know their stuff. It's unbelievable. They have worked on our property before, and I made a video, in fact, of when they cut the first half of this tree down. But knowing that that's coming down today, make my day complete. My motorcycle collection is safe, once again. So I do have to flip battery chargers here, of course, and I do have to do the normal morning checks on the motorcycles, but that Treezilla is half coming down already. And little by little, they got the big chipper going now. Little by little, oh, these things are just falling down. What a job, what a job. Now see, the problem is you're right in between houses here, and of course the sacred garage. These guys, and by the way, the funniest thing, last night I watched again. I watched it's a channel on YouTube called Idiots with Chainsaws, where they drop trees on their car and house. Amazing. These guys are total pros. Actually, they got the one branch now that was right over the garage, so one would have taken out the front door. That one's laying down there in Mike's yard. Woo! This is a big job, boy. And there goes Treezilla. Unbelievable. Treezilla's winding up in his truck here. Pretty impressive to see this in real life when you think of how high up the guys are. I am very impressed. I love to watch professionals work, boy. That is some job. Notice he's holding a chainsaw with one hand. Look at this. Wow. It's amazing, they lower each branch down with a rope that's up on a, who knows what up there. And some of these, ooh, look at that one. Ooh, some of these things are really, when they hit the ground, you can really hear them. So this one branch is right over Mike's house. I'll be interested to see how they're going to cut that. But these guys really know their stuff, no doubt about it. Treezilla, boy, some big branches there. Now, as the guys are taking their coffee here, look how much they got done already. Wow. A couple hours and they got a big chunk of it down. Amazing. But they called for the cherry picker, the big heavy duty equipment now. This is going to get to be interesting. I guess this is how they get the part that normally would be prone to fall against the neighbor's house. And we moved all our cars. They're going to bring some of that heavy equipment in, I think, into our yard. I'm not sure. Boy, that is a lot of work, boy. A lot of work. Holy mackerel. Whew. Yeah, if that falls on a house, that could ruin your whole day. Ruin Mike's whole day. Free firewood. Whoa! I got it, baby. We get everything on video. No cursing. Comes another big one down. Man, that is definitely some mosh. Oh, look at this one coming down. Ah. Treezilla bites the dust. Lindy's garage is finally becoming safe. A safe place to store motorcycles. Gil can sleep better at night. Is that balsa wood?
So dead.
The tree is so dead. It's actually some spots with a hollow inside. Oh my God! We ducked a bullet here. I'm glad I'm retired. Little by little, it's becoming a palm tree. Oh, yeah. Oh. Luciano, I got Luciano on the phone while I'm doing this. Look at this. It's coming into my yard. It's going to go in the pond. I know it. I know it. Here it goes. Yay. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. Look at this. Is the tree that got. That's balsa wood.
That's all dead.
Oh.
That's the only thing that's alive.
This is the only thing that's a real tree. This is like mush. Oh yeah, my God.
That's why.
So he can't climb any higher is the whole problem.
Yeah, he can't.
Wow.
Like, I've seen him climb trees, climb way higher.
I seen him. You guys cut the tree down. It was in the corner of my property.
We did it?
Yeah, yeah.
We're really nervous doing it. But
My poor wife almost had a heart attack. Oh my God, look at this. Oh my God. And Luciano's still on the phone. Oh, caramba. Ah, all right, it came down. These guys know what they're doing. So I'm talking to Luciano on the phone when the big branch goes. Karen's looking out the window and a big branch comes down. 30-foot piece of tree comes flying down. Oh, you can't make this stuff up. This is really turning out to be the adventure of, well, the first one, and that's on our channel too. 8 years ago they did the first part of it. No, they did my job. They had a tree here in my yard 8 years ago. Look at this stuff. Oh. When this is done, I just hope too many branches are not in my poor pond. I can hear the motorcycles out in the garage going, oh, please finish this job, finish this job. Now he's got quite a bit of it down by now, but we're into this about 4.5 hours. See, whenever I cut a tree down, as soon as it starts falling, I yell, watch out below. Usually by then it's on the ground already. I imagine if that could give you a real headache if that comes down on your head. Treezilla bites the dust. The world famous Treezilla. And there you have it. That's a full day's work. Wow. Now I don't know if they're going to cut the rest of this down or what. Maybe tomorrow. I don't know. They're packing it in for the day. Look at that. Wow. I'm impressed. I was wrong. They just went for a bigger machine. I thought they were done for the day, but they're not. It's just a bigger machine. Look at the size of that chainsaw. Wow.
Come over here, Albert.
we go. Look at this. Wow. Treezilla. Yeah, I really thought they were done for the day. My mistake. They cleaned up, took all the branches away. But then they send in the, I guess, the Marines for this part of the job. Is this the moment of truth now? Turning Treezilla into a flower pot. Wow. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Don't let it go toward the house. Oh my God. Here we go. Oh, moment of truth. I think I'll stand back a little bit. Here we go. Center of gravity's off to this side. That should go. Oh, this ought to be fun. Here we go. Oh my God. Ah! Oh my God. Treezilla is done. And there you have it. Wow. So now all the motorcycles in my garage can sleep well tonight, knowing Treezilla is now a flower pot holder. Wow, what a day this was. Oh my God, I hope you enjoyed this video. This was a whole day of shooting video. You hear those chainsaws out there? Well, don't worry, Mr. Motorcycle and Mrs. Motorcycle. Treezilla is toast. He sleeps with the fishes. He sleeps with the Ducatis. I don't know what. Anyway, Treezilla is now history, and we get back to restoring motorcycles tomorrow.